The next job will be insulator replacement. The crew starts by covering the system neutral with line hose. It's then untied from the pin insulator. The line hose is locked together by using a connector. The neutral is then carefully lowered to a safe position clear of the work area. Next, the crew covers up the inside phase with line hose and blankets. Notice how they make sure to properly use blanket pins to wrap the blanket securely around the conductors and insulators. The same procedure is used to cover up the center phase. The outside phase remains uncovered since the crew will only be working between the inside and center phases. Once this is complete, work can begin on replacing the dead-end insulator. Rubber crossarm covers are put in place to reduce electrical stress on the insulated jumper cable assembly that will be used in this operation. To lengthen the jumper cable assembly, a connector link is used to attach two jumper sets. After the jumper sets are attached, the assembly connection point is covered with a rubber blanket. This entire assembly is then placed over the crossarm covers. The next step is to place the hoist assembly into position and then secure the first end of the insulated jumper cable on the conductor. Before the jumper is connected, the conductor is cleaned with a wire brush to ensure a good electrical connection. After the first jumper end is connected, the crew repeats the same procedure on the conductor on the other side of the crossarm. The hoist is properly tensioned to create slack on the conductor, so the damaged insulator can be replaced with a new polymer insulator. Once the new insulator is attached to the conductor, the assembly is reconnected to the crossarm. The hoist is adjusted to allow the assembly to achieve the proper tension. Next, the hoist and wire grip can be removed from the conductor. After completing the task, the entire area must be recovered to provide protection before the jumpers are removed. After removing the hoist, the crew removes the jumper clamps one at a time in order to have constant control of both ends. The entire assembly is then carefully removed and sent to the ground by use of a rope and pulley system. Now it's time to remove all of the cover-up used for this job. The crew works on one phase at a time, removing blankets and line hose. One final task is to reposition the neutral in its place and remove the line hose.